What do you see in front of you? When you look around your house or office, do you see dust and dirt? Do you see the microparticles that are making you, your customers, your employees, and your family sick? We are Maintenance Warriors, veteran-owned with attention to detail. The little details are a big deal to us. Our passion is cleanliness. It's why we do what we do on the front lines of war against grime. No grime left behind. That's our motto. That's our modus operandi. Tough on germs, tough on dirt, big on customer service. Maintenance Warriors.